Mineola Packing Company is a family-owned and still mainly family-operated business. My grandpa actually bought this building from Wood County Electric in 1961. He and my grandmother kind of remodeled and then opened Mineola Packing Company in 1962. And if you come up here today, you're still liable to meet the family. So you'll see me, my dad, my sisters, my cousin works in the back. You may even meet a brother or two. But the business has definitely evolved a lot from what it looked like in 1962 to what it looks like in 2019. So we get a lot of questions about who Mineola Packing is. Well, today we're going to show you.
Hi, I'm Chelsea. We have a lot of questions on how you even get in the building. We have great customer parking out front. You just come up the ramp and come straight in this big white door. This is what you're going to see. It's all pretty simple how to order. We have a monthly special. We keep it up here, bright and colorful for you to see. Here's a board of some of the things we offer. Our hand-cut steaks. Everything is going to be cut to order when you come in. In addition to meat, we also have some seasonings and some t-shirts that you can buy.
Hi, I'm Jennifer, and I'm here to tell you a little bit more about what Mineola Packing does. We have a retail division, we have a custom processing division, and a wholesale division. With the wholesale, we service customers in about a 250-mile radius within Texas, Arkansas, Louisiana, and Oklahoma. In our retail division, we cut steaks to order, pork chops to order. We have a full-service meat counter that any protein that you need, you can come in and get from us.
How's it going? I'm Chris, part of the family here at Mineola Pack. Got a few pork chops for y'all.
So don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Instagram, visit us at mineolapacking.net, and come in and see me.